Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. Today, we are pleased to present our customer rewards program, especially created for those who choose to shop at our online superstore. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making useful and helpful content to assist you during a time of loss. We are never prepared to lose a loved one, but gathering knowledge before it happens can be helpful and comforting in the funeral planning process. The Funeral Program site is the largest online resource for funeral program templates, accessories, and personalized memorial products. Rest assured, we are real people behind this website and genuinely care about the people we service. In an effort to show our appreciation, we've created our exclusive rewards program. Customers can earn points by taking actions like joining our loyalty program, placing an order, referrals, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and even celebrating birthdays. The points can be redeemed as cash value dollars to further discount any purchase. Our system will automatically keep track and keep you updated on every point you earn and how to redeem those points for cash discounts. To get started, visit our online superstore and click on the rewards link at the bottom left of any page. We appreciate each and every one of you and want to show our gratitude for your loyalty and continued trust in our products and services. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time in another video brought to you only by thefuneralprogramsite.com.